everybody. Hi, this is Antoinette Hunter again. Welcome to Amazing Growth. I am a teacher and a developmental intervention specialist. If this is your first time tuning into our channel, you are very welcome. So on this video, we're going to be having an exciting activity with our science experiment. We are going to encourage you to have your water, your bowl of water. If you have a microscope, it's okay. You can have it along with you because we're going to do a science project with Bob. So today we're going to be observing bugs on our science experiment. We are going to use the microscope if the kids wish to see how it would look under the microscope. So what I did was I put water and let it freeze halfway, and then I put the bugs inside. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right there. See that? This is actually ice. Can you see? It's ice.
Mommy, that one's melting.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're going to put the bugs in here to see what kind of bug is going to be when we melt the ice. Okay.
Mommy, we can already see the bugs. This one's melting.
Yes, we can see the bugs. It's very clear. You can see the type of bug, but sometimes it's not clear enough for you to really see what it's like, right? You can see it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's melting. We gotta start it.
All right. Anyhow.
Activity now.
Now we're going to start our activity with the ice. How to make this right here. We put water. This is what I did. I use a tape to seal the bottom of the eggs, the Easter Bunny fake plastic eggs, right there. And then I fill it up with water. Put it in the refrigerator. When it was halfway, make sure it's not coming out. It's sealed very properly before you put it in there. When it freezes halfway down, like halfway, then we put the bug on top of it and then put more water in there and seal it. So I use this to seal it with. I use my syringe to put the water inside the eggs and fill it up with. That's how I came to have, that's how I have this one. I was able to come up with this one. So I have bugs in here too. When I dissolve it, you will see what it looks like. This activity is actually great for sensory activity. Kids that love sensory, they will love this. If your child is having problems sitting in activity for the duration of time, they are not able to attend to tasks. This activity is great for kids under 2 years old because it's ice. Some kids like to eat ice, and they like to explore. So what you want to do is you want to take the ice out, see, and let them put it in the water. Yeah. This is what, so they can identify the bug that's in there. This is an ant.
This one doesn't have a bug in it.
Look, this is ant right there. We put it in the water and dissolve it in. And then what's this one? Take this one out.
A bee. No, I'm gonna try.
We want to take it out before it melts out. Whoa!
Oh.
So not all of them have insects inside. Some of them is just.
Let me put them.
Okay, Kobranaja, your turn. Now we have this one too. What is this one? This is actually a grasshopper. This is a grasshopper right here.
This is cold.
And this right here, look at this one. This is a bee.
Oh,
see?
I want to put it in.
Wait, let's show them what it looks like.
Look at this one.
Oh my God.
Everyone, Sophie! Yay, we're gonna get Sophie! Mix you up. Mix it up. Mix. What are we gonna do with these? Yes, the ant. Wait, no, this isn't an ant. That's gonna break the ones. I just want to save it.
And then this one, let's see what's in here. You see how we sealed it with a tape? I'm going to open it to see what's there.
Mommy, can I open this one?
Yeah, let's open it. So you have the kids just have fun opening it.
It's another bee.
Wow, it didn't freeze. It came out so, I thought it would be.
It's gonna swim.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this one.
Wow, that one's pretty.
This is cool.
And look at the ice.
Oh my goodness.
It's
You
like
see this
Elsa's
one?
castle.
Look.
Oh no!
Look at this one. See, they can see your pretty face now. Okay, here, I have this one. Here. So open the other one. Nice. Wow. It's melting. The ice is melting. It's melting it now. Do you need help? This is tricky. Wow, you want them to see, Ma?
Mama, I need help opening this.
You need help?
Yes. The ladybug.
Let me see. This is a ladybug. Let's see. And then this one was in the bag. This is a little tight. So you don't have to actually do it. Let's see, it's in the bag, right? You don't necessarily have to do it with the egg tray. You can put it in a cup. You can put it in the ice tray if you want to melt them. You can use a cup for it. Kids love to sit down and play around with this. And for kids that have difficulties with communication, you can actually get them excited to talk like, hey, look at this. This is an ant. Look, it's still right on top of the eyes. See? It's there. Look at this one.
It got off.
This is a ladybug. Ooh, this is really cold. Oh my goodness.
The ant got set free. Let's see what the ant looks like.
You need help? So the next thing you can do, you can encourage them to use the microscope to see what it look.
Whoa, it's big.
It's big? Yeah.
Let me see.
This is a great science project for children because it helps them to appreciate nature. It helps them to see how great bugs can look under a microscope. So if you like this activity, go to the store, use anything you have at home, put your water in there, freeze the water halfway, place the bug on it, and then put more water inside and put it right in the freezer, not the refrigerator again. Pour your water in halfway on either a cup or the ice tray, and put when it freezes, put in the freezer. When it freezes, then you can put the bug on top of it, and then pour more water and put it in the freezer. When it freezes, you'll be able to get this effect. You can give it to your child to melt it in the water. Kids like to play with ice, so this will make it more fun because they're able to learn the different types of bug. Try not to use too many where they won't be able to identify if you want them to identify. So you put it halfway, you put the water halfway, you let it freeze. You can use anything again. You place the bug on top of it, and then you put more water inside of it, and then put it in the freezer. You can use anything. You can use a cup, you can use the ice tray. You can actually use, if you want to make it more fun and design it, you can use different kinds of tools to make it the way you want to make it. But this is a great science experiment for kids. You can put it in a plastic bag like I did. I just made it in different ways and let them try to like open it up. If your child is not able to attend to task again, they will sit down and engage in an activity for the duration of time because the activity is fun, engaging, and it has a sensory effect with the water and the texture of the different types of bugs. Just told you. If you want it to melt really quickly,
Wow.
you put it in hot water. Look, we put it in hot water. Look at what is happening to it. It's melting so quick. Look.
Let's put the bee.
We put it in hot water. It's melting very quickly. Be careful with the hot water. It's not hot to a point where it can actually burn your child or your child to be injured. But it's hot enough to feel that the water is hot.
I can be drinking.
So just be careful because I'm not sure. Some kids are very sensitive to hot water. It is. So we're going to put the grasshopper. We have 2 grasshoppers here. We melt it. We're going to put it in here. So you just let the kids play with it and have fun with it. That's all that really matters. They're having fun. They are learning. They're engaging. They're appreciating nature. You're maximizing their intelligence. You're also giving them something to think about. You're building their curiosity because kids are very curious. So this activity has a lot of benefits education-wise. It's very educational. So I'm gonna take this out.
The bee.
I'm gonna take this. They're done. They're done with this. Now this is hot water. The different texture. Everything is melted. So I'm going to take it away now. Well, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.